Hello, Dr. Rashi Agarwal here.
Introducing the today's speaker, Rashi. Dr. Rashi is doing a great job. She's like a rock star of psychiatry in Meerut. She's very dynamic, very active, and working on multiple forums like Lumate Peron. So that he is the apt speaker for today's topic. She is very active in spreading awareness through social media and through her awareness campaigns. And recently she had a very good campaign by Man Samvad, in the name of Man Samvad, which was very successful. So so this such a dynamic speaker is introducing this broad spectrum dynamic molecule. So Dr. Rashi is currently the assistant professor in LLRM Medical College. She is the founder of Voices of Meerut podcast, and she had recently delivered a TEDx talk also. I think it was in Mumbai. So she's a TEDx speaker as well, and she's working actively on a mission to make mental health a common term in every household. She specializes in destigmatization of psychiatric care, addiction medicine, and preventive mental health. Her work focuses on making complex psychiatric concepts accessible to the public through social media, workshops, and public speaking. So she is the one who ensured psychiatric care reaches beyond the OPD to schools, boardrooms, and living rooms, which is actually the need of the hour. We need to spread such kind of awareness among the masses. And since she is very young and she used technology very well, such people are required because this is the age of digital awareness. And we have been working since so many years. मेरे जो साथ के साइकियाट्रिस्ट हैं उनके पास शायद इस काम के लिए बहुत कम टाइम होता है, और हम लोग इतना टेक्नोलॉजिकली साउंड भी नहीं है. तो I'm very happy to introduce her, and I invite her for today's discussion. Thank you.
And with this, we are going to start the best part of this event. हम आप सबको फेलिसिटेट करने जा रहे हैं, जिसके लिए सबसे पहले हम मंच पर हमारे बीच उपस्थित.
So we are here for the event and let's go and see what's happening inside. Let's go. I feel really happy to be representing mental health on these big stages, which once failed to even recognize that these are real issues. To be at the center of these events, talking about mental health, influencing, and also just of the fact that making content at your home and work has actually brought you to these places is amazing. And yes, who is a better person to be watching a hijacked or a spooky plane while flying myself for an awesome weekend to Bhubaneswar to see my brother. But yeah, it's a good show. I just finished it. I know it's a late vlog, but we are trying to be consistent. Every Saturday or Sunday there's going to be a new vlog. So hopefully. Hello everyone. It's been really long since we had this. Didn't get time for editing or did not have a very specific one-on-one conversation. So I was just going through some of my skincare that I got from Korea. These are Heartleaf BHA peeling pads, and they're supposed to be really good, but I get like lagging behind in skincare and everything, so I thought I would just try these again today. Coming back to this, the conversation around hustle culture. Specifically, we advise to slow down, to relax, to not take that kind of stress. Do whatever you want, try to chill, take life easy. Happiness is very important, relaxation is important. Relaxation need not be earned, and mostly just feeling content and satisfied. But then when we try to equate it or try to instill some kind of hustle culture, there is always this fear or risk of burning out or getting tired, fatigued, burdened. But ultimately, life is a balance of all of these things. So, until and unless we have had this bursts of increased work, burst of lot of putting yourself through these phases to grow. I do not think it is possible to live life very persistently and slowly. There needs to be some kind of burst of motivation, increased work, reactions that we actually do, because ultimately life is not easy. Be it you're doing a job, you're doing a business, you're doing any kind of, or you're looking for change, you're looking for growth, that does not come from comfort. That never will arise from being very comfortable, having a full night's sleep, or having good meals, and also going to the gym, also exercising, taking care of your skincare and everything. Because why? We all have just these 24 hours, and in these 24 hours I need to cook, clean, manage my life, go to the gym, have a social life, also earn, work, everything. So it is not possible every time to be chill and relax, and also there is not time to be hustling. So life ultimately will be phases of relaxation and hustling, and relaxation and hustling, which is the ideal combination. So make sure you're not falling on either end of the spectrum, and also motivating yourself to work hard in whatever field you like. But ultimately, there is no shortcut to hard work. There can never be a phase of just relaxing and still growing. There can be relaxing and surviving persistently at the same phase or at the same amount. But if you want any kind of growth, change, or some kind of push, it is not possible to be so zen about it. So find that balance, find out what works for you, find out what you want to do in those 24 hours, because every day everything is not possible. We need to find what, when, and how to do it. Ultimately, that can be the complete crux of life, of how I want to do it. And again, what works for me physically, mentally, and how can I manage my life. So this is Dr. Rashi Agarwal signing off another vlog, and see you until next time. Bye bye. Make sure you subscribe so that you can get weekly, bi-weekly updates on what's happening in my life beyond a psychiatrist.